The air quality in Delhi once again has returned to the very poor category, with the AQI now touching 328 due to low wind speeds. Now, the Delhi government has extended the ban on entry of trucks, barring CNG, e-trucks and those engaged in essential services in view of the forecast about a further deterioration in the air quality in the national capital. The Delhi Environment Minister has said that the government will review the ban on construction and demolition activities on the 16th of December. Now, what we are understanding is that this poor air category is being blamed on low wind speeds. Tuesday morning, today, of course, we are touching the AQI of 328 in several parts of Delhi. The Delhi government, of course, is saying that they are going to review the ban on construction as well. Do remember that the Delhi government had put in place several measures in the past to battle air pollution, as well as the low quality of air that we see in Delhi right now. Madhurima is reporting live on this. Madhurima, good morning. We are told that air quality in Delhi has now gone back to the very poor category, and the next 2 days it is believed that it could perhaps dip further.
Well, good morning to you too, Nupur, and you've put it very rightly that yes, the air quality in the national capital has dipped once again to the very poor category, and it has even went down to the severe category in areas like Anand Vihar and Akshardham. We're reporting from Akshardham area in the national capital, and we bring you the straight visuals because of the thick smog and the poor air quality. As you can see that the visibility is really low. Even the huge architecture building of the Akshardham temple is not clearly visible. This is the situation in the national capital. As you said, that multiple measures have been taken by the Delhi government, from closing all the brick kilns to reviewing all the construction sites in the national capital, to even closing schools and Delhi government offices so as to regularize the vehicular movement, which could result in less emission of gases and contribute less to the already polluted national capital. However, these are the visuals that we are bringing you from at 8 in the morning from the Akshardham flyover. The visibility is very poor. Multiple meetings are all scheduled to be conducted in regard to review the entire situation. But as the Supreme Court said, the Delhi government will have to bring a solid solution to this menace. Nupur.
All right, Madhurima reporting on that from Delhi. Thank you.